Think of your body as a well-oiled machine. Cardio, like running or biking, gets that machine warmed up and ready to go. Your heart rate increases, pumping blood and oxygen to your muscles. This process is key for optimal performance during weightlifting. Your muscles need that oxygen-rich blood to power through those reps. Without it, you risk fatigue and reduced strength. Imagine trying to run a marathon without a proper warm-up. You wouldn't, right? The same principle applies to weightlifting. Cardio acts as your pre-workout prep, ensuring your muscles are fueled and ready for action. When you do cardio, your heart rate elevates. This isn't just about burning calories, it's about training your heart to become more efficient. A stronger heart means better endurance, both in the gym and in life. Think of it like this: your heart is a muscle too. The more you work it, the stronger it gets. Cardio strengthens this vital muscle, allowing it to pump blood more effectively. This enhanced blood flow benefits your weightlifting workouts. Your muscles receive a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients, allowing you to push harder and longer. We all want to prevent injuries, right? Cardio is your best friend when it comes to injury prevention. It increases blood flow to your muscles and joints, making them more pliable. Imagine trying to stretch a cold rubber band. It's likely to snap, right? Your muscles and tendons are similar. Cardio warms them up, reducing the risk of pulls or tears during weightlifting. A proper warm-up signals to your body that it's time to move. It prepares your muscles and joints for the demands of weightlifting, making your workouts safer and more effective. Section 4: Energy Drain or Gain. Cardio's impact on strength training. Now let's talk about energy. When we think about cardio, we often associate it with endurance and stamina. But how does it affect our strength training routines? Some people worry that cardio before weights will deplete their energy, leaving them weak for lifting. This concern is valid, especially if the cardio session is long and intense. There's a balance to strike. Integrating cardio and strength training requires a strategic approach to ensure both elements complement each other. Short, intense bursts of cardio can actually energize you. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a great example of this. Think about a quick sprint. These short bursts can increase your heart rate and get your blood pumping, preparing your muscles for the workout ahead, or a few minutes of jumping jacks. These exercises can serve as a dynamic warm-up, enhancing your performance during weight training. This type of cardio can boost your adrenaline and get you pumped for your workout. The key is to keep it short and intense. However, long, grueling cardio sessions can be counterproductive. Extended periods of cardio can lead to fatigue, which might hinder your strength training efforts. If you're dragging yourself to the weight rack after an hour on the treadmill, you're not setting yourself up for success. Your muscles need energy to lift weights effectively. You're not setting yourself up for success. To maximize your strength training, consider the timing and intensity of your cardio sessions. Balance is crucial for optimal performance and results. Section 5. Fatigue factor: how cardio can affect your lifting power. Fatigue is the enemy of progress, especially when it comes to weightlifting. When your muscles are fatigued, they can't perform at their peak, which means you won't be able to lift as heavy or as effectively. This is particularly true if you've just finished a long cardio session. Your muscles need time to recover and rebuild, and if they're constantly being pushed to their limits, they won't have the chance to do so. If your muscles are already tired from cardio, you won't be able to lift as heavy or as effectively. This can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to make gains in your strength training. It's important to remember that your body needs time to recover between workouts, and that includes both cardio and weightlifting sessions. Think of it like this: your body only has a certain amount of energy in the tank. When you use up a lot of that energy on cardio, there's less available for your strength training. This can lead to a decrease in performance and make it harder to achieve your fitness goals. It's all about finding the right balance between cardio and weightlifting. If you use it all up on cardio, there's nothing left for strength training. This doesn't mean you should avoid cardio altogether, but rather that you should be mindful of how much energy you're expending. Consider doing your weightlifting first, when your muscles are fresh, and saving cardio for later in your workout or on separate days. This can lead to poor form, reduced strength, and increased risk of injury. When you're tired, it's harder to maintain proper form, which can increase your risk of injury. It's better to lift lighter weights with good form than to push yourself too hard and risk getting hurt. The key is to listen to your body. Pay attention to how you're feeling and adjust your workouts accordingly. If you're feeling particularly tired one day, it might be a good idea to take it easy or focus on a different type of exercise. If you're feeling wiped out after cardio, it's okay to take a break or reduce the intensity of your weightlifting session. Remember, it's better to have a lighter workout than to push yourself too hard and risk injury. You can also try incorporating shorter, more efficient cardio workouts into your routine. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a great option because it allows you to get a good cardio workout in a shorter amount of time, leaving more energy for your strength training. Section 6. Calorie Killer. Maximizing fat loss with cardio and weights. Let's talk about a major benefit: fat loss. When it comes to shedding those extra pounds, combining cardio and weightlifting can be incredibly effective. Combining cardio and weights is a 1-2 punch for torching calories. Cardio exercises like running, cycling, or swimming get your heart rate up and help you burn calories during the workout itself. Cardio gets your heart rate up, burning calories during your workout. It's great for improving cardiovascular health and endurance. But here's the kicker. Weightlifting helps you burn calories even after your workout is over. This is due to the phenomenon known as the afterburn effect, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. Building muscle increases your metabolism, turning your body into a calorie-burning machine. The more muscle mass you have, the more calories you burn at rest. Think of it like this. Cardio is like starting a fire. It ignites the process of burning calories. Weightlifting is like adding logs to keep it burning strong. It sustains and enhances the calorie-burning process long after your workout is done. Together they create a powerful synergy for fat loss and overall fitness. By integrating both cardio and weightlifting into your routine, you maximize your fat loss potential and improve your overall health and fitness levels. Section 7. Finding your fitness balance: cardio and weights in harmony. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to fitness. The best way to balance cardio and weightlifting is to listen to your body and adjust your routine based on your goals. If your primary goal is building muscle mass, prioritize weightlifting and use cardio strategically for warm-ups and active recovery. If you're aiming for fat loss, incorporate a mix of cardio and weights, making sure to challenge yourself while avoiding exhaustion. Remember, consistency is key. Find a balance that works for you and stick with it. You've got this.